How to delete Google Lens photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google browser on your device and then make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on manage your Google account. Now this will take you to a new page. Here you can just select on data and privacy. Now just scroll down and here on the history settings you can see the option of web and app activity. So tap on it. Now as you tap on it, simply scroll down and here under see and delete activity you can see the option and the icon of Google Lens. So tap on the Google Lens option and as you tap on it you can see different history related to Google Lens photos. So simply you can tap on this cross mark and then you can see it has been deleted. So if you want to delete of all the Google Lens history, simply tap on the delete option at the top and delete all time and then tap on delete again. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.